Buenos dias. Oh, I slept on a mattress last night. I got a hostel room, cold showers, awesome. And I was able to repack the bike. So today I'm day 3 and I'm about 160 kilometers in and only 80 k's more to get to Calama, and I've got to do that today. Ex-Pueblo, so it's an old town, Pampa Union. I've got 20 more k's to go to somewhere else, so I can stay the night. I was going to sleep around here somewhere. Fairly easy. Pretty spooky actually. Well, not spooky, but kind of eerie. But it's a big outfit, man. There's another suburb, barrio, a little bit more down there. First puncture. No air in the tyre, won't work like that. We have to change it out. But today's probably going to be the hardest day. Forecast to be 31. If you look up, I've got to go that way. So I've got wind in my face. Those flags are blowing straight in me. And I've got a massive climb, 1500 meters in elevation. I've had to buy all my water and all my snacks for today because there's nothing in between. So I've got 6 litres on me. I had to redistribute the weight and put 3 litres in on the front tyre and repack the clothes in the back. Look man, this is just wild country. Anyway, I better get moving. I'm not really sure how to even get out of town yet, but this is Sierra Gorda. It's a mining town. It took me a little bit to find somewhere to stay last night because everywhere's occupied with mine workers. And everything's locked up, man, chained down, so it's like the hood. Right. Plaza de Armas, Sierra Gorda, Atacama Desert. I had my first coffee this morning for 4 days because I haven't been able to heat any water up, and I put sugar in it. That I don't normally eat sugar, and I've got the shakes. Right, so goodbye to these trees because it ain't much more after this. don't know, but it sounds empty. So, we're at about 1,000 meters above sea level here, and I'm climbing up to 2,500 today. Too much weight on the back yesterday and went over a little bump and pinched the tyre. Look at that country out there. Anyway, I'm off out of here. Starting to warm up, but it's been like this 30 kilometers from Sierra Gorda has almost been like peaceful. It's not as much traffic, and although I've been climbing the whole way, the whole 30 k's, it's been steady. But I'm coming up to like a tourist sort of landmark up here. I remember reading about this or watching on YouTube a couple of months ago when I was planning this trip, and it's a Cristal can. Cristal is a mark of beer over here, Cerveza, in Chile. So I'm not sure the significance of it. Maybe it's probably actually a water tower, a water can, and it's been sponsored. Anyway, it looks like I've got a bit of a descend down here, over here. So I found this 30 k's with a lot of climbing easier than yesterday. Yesterday I found it hard in the morning, and I don't think, I worked it out, I don't think I hydrated well. So I probably subclinically dehydrated the whole day yesterday. And that is a problem, really. You just lose all your power, your energy. And there was even one point there, I didn't even know where I was, but here we are. Massive drop off out into the flats out there. Slowly climbing for a couple of days. Well, I'm on day 3 now, but and it just continues. Another Snickers down the hatch. Sugar, baby, sugar.